If you want to learn about how to set up Threads, which is a new Instagram app, I'm going to show you in this tutorial exactly how to do that. Before I share my screen and show my phone and how to install it, I want to tell you a little bit about what this app is basically for, from what I've seen. So essentially, this app is by Instagram. It's a separate app, and it's specifically designed to give you a text-based content that you can actually share, very similar to Twitter. Something that I really like. I've never really connected with Twitter, but I do like the text based. That's what I'm kind of comfortable with. So I'm really excited to see how I can utilize this platform. If you want to connect with me, go to threads.net/Adaran Bukai. I will leave the link somewhere in the description. You can follow me there and connect with me. With that said, I'm going to share my screen and show you how to install Threads on your phone right now. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store and you're going to search for Threads. You're going to find something that's going to say Threads, and Instagram app. You're going to click on Get the app. In my case, I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it. And you will see it will sync directly with my Instagram. I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to be able to put a bio or a link. And I can also just click on Import from Instagram, which is going to make my life a lot easier. So for now, just do that. You can always customize it from there. And once you do that, you're going to move on to the next step and click on Next. Then choose if it's a public or private profile. In my case, it's a business profile, so I'll go with public. And then I'm going to say follow all if I want to follow everybody from Instagram, or you can follow none. That's totally up to you. Then you're going to pause this video quickly and have a read of how Threads work. Then you're going to click on Join Threads. So you're going to see my profile and you'll see it's similar to Instagram. I'm going to click on the compose button and I'm going to start a thread and write my first post. So I'm going to say excited to be on Threads and start sharing text-based value or educational value here. And post. Now it's posting. And it's now posted. So there you go. People now can like, comment, share, or retweet or rethread, whatever that label is going to be.